Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to mirror your Huawei display to your computer. Whether your phone's operating system of harmonyos or Android OS, you could screen mirror from your Huawei to Windows PC or Mac without any difficulty. With AirDroid Cast, you can cast your Huawei phone wirelessly without the need for any external device. It's completely free to realize casting. You can get it from the App Store on your phone or just download it free from the official website of AirDroid Cast. Please ensure to select the version that corresponds to your device's system. I'll leave the link in the below description for your convenience. Let's get started now. Install AirDroid Cast on your both devices, and then launch the app on your Huawei and computer. On your Huawei mobile device, enter the cast code displayed on your PC screen or scan the QR code. Next, you will receive a notification on your PC asking for permission to connect both devices. Click on Allow and proceed to make the connection. Once successfully connected, your Huawei screen will display on your Windows PC or your Mac screen. In addition, if you want to mirror multiple phones screened to a computer at the same time for a better online presentation or other purpose, just simply tap the Open New Window button. Then, you can get multi-screen casting. It is helpful for you to share your idea at the meeting and to make your work more productive and efficient. Not only is this great for professional use, but entertainment too. You can easily play and enjoy the mobile game solo or even with your friends on Windows PC or Mac with AirDroid Cast. It offers a range of both video quality and frame rates for you to choose from. It supports up to 1080p of video quality and 120 Hz of high frame rate. With these settings, you will get to see larger lifelike images and be able to have faster reaction times, and proceed as far as possible in the game. Well, that's all for today's video. If you like it, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.